Because we are watching caterpillars turn into butterflies and have been studying insects like dragonflies and ladybugs this week, I thought that this book all about butterflies would be a great book to read to you today. So this book called Butterflies is a nonfiction book. And if you friends remember, nonfiction means that it is a real, not a made up storybook. It is a book that teaches you about something, that tells you all about something new. And the books we have been reading are nonfiction books about insects. So we're going to open this book and see what we find inside and what we learn all about butterflies. A lot of you friends know a lot about butterflies already, but I'm sure you'll learn something new. Oh, so here is the table of contents. And remember, that tells us where we can find all the different sections in the book. Like if we want to learn about AV2 book code, we can go to page 2. If we want to learn about the life cycles of butterflies, we go to page 4, insects, page 6, birth, page 8, caterpillar, page 10, cocoon, page 12, the change, page 14, adult, page 16, laying eggs, page 18, butterflies to larva, page 20, and the life cycle quiz, page 22. And then there are keywords on page 24, which are also like part of the glossary a lot of the time. We took a look at glossaries this week too. All animals begin life, grow, and make more animals. This is a life cycle. So that is what a life cycle is. It's when an animal begins life, grows, and then makes other animals. Even we're in a life cycle, like a people life cycle, a human life cycle. Butterflies are insects. Insects are small animals with 3-part bodies. An insect has its skeleton on the outside of its body. Did you friends know that? It has its skeleton on the outside of its body. That's pretty crazy. And wow, look at this picture. That is a really beautiful butterfly. Those blue wings are very bright. Butterflies are born when they hatch from eggs. The babies eat a hole in the egg to get out. Baby butterflies look like worms with legs. Baby butterflies are called caterpillars. They eat a lot and grow very fast. Caterpillars drop their skin when they grow too big for it. This is the larva stage of the life cycle. We've actually seen our caterpillars do that at school. Shed their skin. Remember, it's called molting. A caterpillar sticks itself to a branch when it is fully grown. This is called the pupa stage of the life cycle. The caterpillar's skin turns into a hard shell in the pupa stage. So what is that hard shell called? You friends know. Our caterpillars are in them right now. They are chrysalises. And actually now they're not caterpillars anymore, they're pupas. A caterpillar may stay inside its shell all winter. It changes into a butterfly inside the shell. Wow. That is pretty incredible. A butterfly is fully grown when it comes out of its shell. Its 4 wings start out soft, but soon turn hard. This is the imago stage of the life cycle. I've never heard of that before, imago. Butterflies can fly a few hours after coming out of their shell. They can fly a couple hours, but can they fly right away? No, they have to dry their wings off first. Butterflies lay their eggs soon after they start to fly. They stick their eggs to leaves with a special glue. Butterfly eggs may be round, oval, or tube shaped. They have a couple of different shapes. There are about 24,000 kinds of butterflies. Each kind of butterfly is a different size or color. The color and size of a butterfly comes from its parents. All right, friends. So what I would like you to please do now is tell me what is something that you learned about butterflies. And since we've been making posters for all of the different insects that we've been learning about and putting them up in the classroom, I'm going to take your responses and I'm going to put them on a big poster so that we can put it up in our classroom. So we can have a big poster all about butterflies. Maybe we can even put it next to the caterpillars turning into butterflies. All right, friends, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this read aloud and learned something new. Are you ready to rock? Bye.